A violent start to the week on one street in Rochester.
One person is in the hospital after being shot on the same street that another person was killed last night. Police responded around 2:30 this afternoon to Pardee Street, where they found evidence of a shooting that took place shortly before they arrived. Later, they located the victim, who was driven to Rochester General Hospital in a private vehicle. We're told he was shot at least once in the lower body, but is expected to live. Anyone with information is asked to call 911.
That's right. And this news particularly discouraging, having come off such a deadly year in Rochester.
With a total of 81 recorded homicides last year, many fear this year will bring the same, especially after seeing 2022's 6th homicide just last night on Pardee Street. But some key local leaders are trying to find ways to put an end to the violence and to the ongoing crisis. Amel Elhel joins us now live in Rochester with more on those initiatives. Amel.
Adam, Teresa, following the violent year 2021 brought to Rochester, local organizations are going back to the root of where these violent actions stem from. Some of them are going right in the middle of it, disrupting the violence, while others are starting young in our school systems.
We're violence interrupters. We're trying to interrupt the normal that they see every day and show them that there's something different, something better out there, and we can help you find that.
Tony Nelson manages 585 Snug, a violence prevention program working to reduce gun violence by working with individuals who are at highest risk of shooting or getting shot.
Because we have outreach workers and we're out in the streets, we're out in the areas that are, I guess I would say, the target of most of the shootings. And once we get participants, our guys work with them to help them try to see a different way, a better way.
And with this ongoing violence, leaders say it takes a mental toll not only on our community as a whole, but also our kids.
We are going through a traumatic world right now, and we have an impact on our kids. We see that in the fights in the schools. We see that in the violence in the streets. We see with the shootings. And the kids are reacting to this, and we have to be able to do that. We have to understand how social-emotionally we can support them and support ourselves.
School systems are using their own approach as well to make sure kids have proper resources to dealing with whatever situation may be going on, so they don't resort to picking up a gun.
The district is really, trying to support the needs of our students and having an approach that welcomes social emotional learning, and realizing that you have to seek to understand and then support. You have to teach the heart before you can teach the mind.
Again, so far, Rochester has seen 6 homicides to date in 2022. For now, we're live in Rochester. Amel Elhel, News 8.
Amel, thank you. On that note, last night's fatal shooting on Pardee Street took the life of 18-year-old Daquan Williams. Police say 2 homes on that street are both vacant buildings being used to store and sell marijuana and other drugs. Police believe the shooting death of Williams is likely connected to the drug sales occurring on the street and inside the 2 homes. We're told it's unclear whether this afternoon shooting is connected to Monday's fatal shooting.